Let's try because 550 lang isa from Taiwan. Ah. Good morning. Do you miss me? Do you miss us? Ask them if they miss us, bebe. Morning. Good morning. Kumain ako ng ice cream. Tapos nakatingin sa akin. Yum yum ice cream, bebe. Bagong gupit siya. New haircut. New bagong ligo kahapon. Nagpa-parlor ang bebe. Smile, smile. Smile. And kahapon, hindi ko rin nabili yung pomelo. Instead, bumili ako ng oranges. Tatlo for $14. And this one is $10 for 5 pieces. Ayun na yung isa. And this one, 2 pieces for $9. And this one, Fierce, $7.50 special price, $7.50 for 3. Kinain ko kagabi yung isa. And yung ice cream. Tatlo for 3 for 100. So, kumuha ko ng almond, strawberry, and the other one is chocolate with cookies. Cookies ba yun? Ay, with brownie. Chocolate brownie. So, that's it. It's been a long time. Hindi ako nag-vlog dito sa bahay. Marami silang stock dito. Yan, sa akin dito. Sila dito. And for lunch, it's chicken, boneless leg, and lalagyan ko siya ng this one soy sauce, BBQ sauce. So that's it for now. Happy Monday.